Hey guys, and welcome back. This is my first ever voiceover, so please wish me luck. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on all my future awesome hauls like this one. So the first thing that we are going to start off with today is some faux leather. Now you want to make sure when you are searching for these leather items that you want to search vegan or faux leather if that's what you're looking for. So this is just some pre-made necklaces that you can easily use to hang some charms on and make a necklace. Next, I have some faux leather cording that I buy, and I just make these into necklaces myself. I like it better that way because then I can adjust the length and stuff. This is another kind. I actually bought this one by accident. It's not my favorite. I prefer the soft ones like this next one I'm going to show you guys. These are some of my favorite colors over here that I use a lot of on my kawaii jewelry. This is just a different, I'm showing the different pink shades. And I definitely love the mint and purple as well. So it looks like I also got some more vegan leather cording here. And this is the suede. These, all these pastel colors, all of them except that purple one on the edge are the suede leather cording, and that is my favorite. And you can see the last one I showed has the little metal thingies on it. And then over here is another one of my favorite things to work with when it comes to kawaii jewelry. And this is the plastic chain, and I love this stuff so much. I will definitely leave the links. So I actually got 3 bags of each color, but I've already used 1 bag of the purple, and I did get 2 more packs of the black, but I have already used 1 of those packs. And now I think I'm just opening it up to show you guys the length, if I remember right. Midnight just came in to say hello. You guys might have heard him. So yeah, basically it comes with 5 pieces, and they're all this length. And you can just use a jump ring to attach 2 pieces together, you know, if you want a longer necklace, or you can cut them if you want them shorter. But basically, yeah, I love to work with that plastic chain right there. And next is just, this is some of the other cording that I got, and I already used it up, so I didn't get to show it to you guys, but I'm just showing here how it was a different shade of mint, and I meant to order more of it and accidentally ordered from a different seller and got a different shade, so you got to be careful when you're ordering. If you want the same color, definitely go with the same seller. So next is one of my favorite items from this haul, and this is actually a brand new item that I've never hauled before. And these are some gorgeous, gorgeous pastel jump rings. Unfortunately, so far I can only find them in 2 different sizes, but I'm really hoping to find them in more sizes. If not, I'll just deal with these sizes because they're awesome. So there's like a smaller, thicker size, and then a larger, thinner size. I've already used these on a few jewelry pieces, and you guys, they are so pretty. So far I did order them in the light purple, the mint, and the pink, but now I do have them coming in baby blue and pastel yellow as well. So I did also get these. These are like keychains or split rings, but they're in the shape of stars. Keychain rings, key rings are basically just large split rings. So these are basically split ring stars, and you use them for keychains, and basically they match perfectly with these jump rings. So I'm really excited to get the yellow jump rings to match with those yellow stars. I'm loving pastel yellow lately, for anyone who didn't know. Next, I got these beads, and they aren't perfectly round. They are like the faceted beads, only they are acrylic and pastel. Those are from eBay. So all this stuff is either from Aliexpress or eBay. Everything I'm showing, hit me up in the comments if you want the links. I will be leaving links for some of the stuff in the description, but not all. So if you don't see a link for what you're looking for, please check the description. That bag of beads I just showed is actually from blibbo.com, and it just came with some random pastel acrylic beads. It came with some letters, some little animal shapes, really cute. Then next I got some chain, and this is like the same chain that I've been hauling for the last few years, and I use it like crazy for my pastel jewelry. This time I actually got some silver as well, Usually I do get all my silver chain from Michaels, but since I was ordering some pastel chain and I happened to be out of silver chain, I just got some. I also picked up some black, and here I'm just showing you guys the exact size and shape of it. And it looks like for some reason I'm showing the size and shape again. Okay, so I think I was supposed to like cut out that first clip, or maybe I forgot what I was doing. I don't know, but anyway, I love this chain, you guys. I've been using it for a few years. Now here I'm just showing my really pretty nails that I was gonna show at the beginning of the video and totally forgot. Not sure what's coming next. Oh, okay, we got some more chain. So here I'm showing the purple color compared to the light pink, and then that is the baby blue. I do wish they'd make a mint. And then here are some more key rings that I got, more pastel key rings. I did purchase these ones before I purchased the stars, so I do prefer the stars. However, the round ones are a little bit less expensive. Okay, I got more chain, you guys. More purple and more pink, because those are two of the shades I use the most of. And I used up a ton of that type of chain on my last few jewelry or shop updates. Then I got some more of this chain, and this is one of my favorites. I love the pink bubblegum color of this chain. It's just so pretty, you guys. I absolutely love it. And now here I'm just showing you guys how big the chain is and what it looks like close up. I love this chain so much, you guys. The color is just so pretty, so kawaii. It is like bordering on a bright and a pastel. Really, really super cute. And you get 5 per order. And I think they're only like $1.29 or something like that for 5 of them, or $2. Not bad at all. So next we've got some charms. These are some unicorn charms. And I've been hauling these unicorn charms for a couple of years now. I'd like to say I was one of the first people to find them. Because I was definitely on Aliexpress every day for a few years, possibly multiple times a day. I have calmed down with that. But these ones I'm just showing up close because these ones actually have a different finding on them than my charms normally do. And that is one of the reasons that I ordered from this particular seller. And I've actually found a couple sellers on AliExpress that exclusively have their charms with this type of finding. So here I'm going to show the difference. As you can see, the hole is much tinier and daintier than an eye screw. Actually super cute. I think that I kind of prefer them for earrings and stuff. I've always kind of preferred bails to eye screws. I just think they look a little bit daintier. And so this is a new type of eye screw that I think I am really starting to like. So next is some different chain that I got, and I am going to take one of the colors out of the bag to show you guys. I did get 2 of the pinks, 2 of the purples, and 2 of the blues, but I do already have 1 of the pinks and 1 of the purples down in my studio for a project I'm working on. So this is really cute. This is some super, super thin chain, so you'd have to really choose very particular findings to work with this chain. But as you can see, the loops at the end are big enough for a small jump ring. And the cool thing about this chain is that instead of just being plain pastel, it has some gold on it. And so hopefully you guys can see like the gold flecks on it. You can probably actually see it more on the purple and the pink. But yeah, this is some really pretty, tiny, dainty pastel chain. And I just really, really love it. And super excited to share it with you guys. Next, I got more of those faceted beads. For some reason, I got a whole bag in this teal color. It kind of reminds me of turquoise jewelry. But of course, it is acrylic. Then I got more of these charms, and I am like obsessed. This is like my favorite color in the whole world. This shade of like Tiffany blue mint. And I just love how they have the little pearl on them. Those are gonna be so wonderful for summer and mermaid projects. Next, we have some bells. I actually got a whole bunch of pastel bells. I have been sitting on the bigger ones for months, you guys. I actually showed them in one of my last giveaways, which was in the winter. But I never showed them in any type of haul yet, so most people probably didn't see them. And the crazy thing is that I looked for the link for these, like to add to the video, and I can't find them anymore. The only link I can find for these bells is you just have to buy 5 or 10 of them and just get random colors. But when I ordered these, I was able to choose, like, I want 10 of the mint or 10 of the purple or 10 of the blue. So it's really weird that now I can't find it. And I was even able to choose size. There was like 3 different sizes of them. So I don't know why, but I will leave the link that I can find for these bells. I know most people aren't color particular like me, so maybe you wouldn't mind getting a black and red bell. There's all different colors. I even found some bells that look like little jack-o'-lanterns, and I will definitely have to pick them up for next Halloween. Next, I just showed some more of those star keychain thingies, only they were just the silver metal instead of the color. Once again, they are a little bit more cost effective to get the silver one. So next we have these super cute little unicorn charms, and the really cool thing about these is that they actually have 2 holes, so you could actually use these as a connector or have a little dangle hanging from the back of the tail, which is really adorable. Or really useful, I should say. And I also just showed some pink lobster clasps a few seconds ago that you guys saw. So these next things that I'm going to show are really cool. So looking in the bag, you would just think that these are a bunch of star charms. And of course, you could use these as star charms. But these are actually a type of clasp. Now, I can't remember. I think they might be called a bar clasp, but don't quote me on that. And I will definitely leave the link for these. I think I got these on eBay, if I remember correct, but they might be from Aliexpress. Anyway, yeah, you just attach one side to one half of your necklace, one half to the other side of your necklace, and the little bar goes through the star. And it's just super cute. I had to get them when I saw them. This is another bag of those pink clasps that I showed a second ago. I've also been using those for a few years now. I did pick up a Fuzzy Pal charm when I was out and threw that in the box because it is, you know, bead and jewelry related. Next are some more acrylic beads. Only these are different from the regular pastel ones because they have like a shimmer to them. They're kind of AB and iridescent. And then next is some faux rhinestone chain. And the faux rhinestones on this are actually very pretty. Like, they totally shine like just as pretty as a Swarovski, if you ask me. And I have never actually worked with this type of chain before. You know, you could even glue it on things for embellishments. I just thought it was really pretty, and I actually got it to work or to use for earrings that I want to make, but you could use it for anything. Oh, here is another bag of that plastic chain. And then over here we have a bag of these green chains. They looked more mint when I ordered them, and then they arrived green. And then I opened them to try to show you guys how long they were, but there is like 5 or 10 chains just all tangled together. So for some reason, my boyfriend actually called my boyfriend. I meant my husband. Why the heck did I say that? For some reason, my husband actually calls that type of chain toilet chain. But that is not what it's called. It's called ball chain. And then last but not least, we have these really adorable unicorn charms that I got in baby pink and baby blue. They are from eBay. And oh wait, one more thing that I almost forgot about was these little pink bells. And I actually ordered these about a week or 2 after I ordered the bigger ones. And yeah, they're super cute. So anyway, you guys, that is my bead haul for today. Bead and charm haul, bead making haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If I had to pick a favorite, it would probably definitely be these jump rings, but I definitely love these charms and everything else in the haul. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.